Day in my life as a water fountain. I wake up in my waterbed and begin getting ready for the day. Today I'm getting ready to compete in the 2025 Space Out competition where I have been selected to compete. I brush my teeth and put on deodorant because a good fountain is a clean fountain. The Space Out competition is an international event created by South Korean artist Whoop Siang. I then hype myself up to compete and get inspired by looking at my vision board. Participants are considered as performers who deliver the idea that doing nothing is valuable. I am hoping to make a splash in the competition. I get to the event and settle in with my fellow competitors. The competition has begun and I'm already feeling completely spaced out. I think I will do well in the Space Out competition, as water is the laziest of all the elements. Water always finds the path of least resistance, and as a big squirter myself, I identify with all fountains found around Melbourne. Leading up to the competition, I prepared by talking to these fountains. They all gave the same advice, blub, 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 blub. Yay, I won. Thank you to the judges for picking me. Here is my acceptance speech.
We are all fountains from when we wake up and have our first shower until, well, usually just like the next time you have a shower.
Back home now, and it's time to get ready for bed. I get into bed and read the Spout Quarterly, a magazine for water fountains. Then go to sleep.